Hello students, welcome to RIMSc Academy. In this video we will discuss domain of sine inverse fx and cos inverse fx. Okay, so we have a trick, domain of sine inverse fx and cos inverse fx. So remember, only put fx in between -1 and 1 and we will find domain and solve it. Okay, so let's see the question. So our first question is domain of y is equal to cos inverse 4x minus 1, right? So this is our question. Okay, so in the trick we have seen we put fx in between 1 and -1, right? So here 4x minus 1 is our fx. Okay, this is our fx, right? So we put this fx in here in this 1 and -1, right? So this is our domain. So -1 less or equal fx, what is fx? Our 4x minus 1, right? 4x minus 1 less or equal to 1, right? So here we add both side 1, right? So this is 0, right? And this is 1 we add, and 1 and plus and 1 and 1 is cancel out, right? So this is 4x, this is 2, right? So here we divide 4 in both sides, right? So this is 0 less or equal x, 4 by 4 is cancel out. Okay, so this is 2 by 4. Okay, so here 0 less or equal x less or equal 1 by 2. Okay, so this is our domain. It means x is belongs to closed bracket 0 to 1 by 2. Okay, so this is our domain of cos inverse 4x minus 1. Now we see next question. Okay, so the next question is domain of y is equal to sine inverse mod x minus 2 upon 4, right? So this is our question. Okay, here here our fx is kitna? This is our fx, right? So we put fx in -1 and 1. So that is our domain. Okay, -1 less or equal mod x minus 2 upon 4. Okay, less or equal 1. Now we solve it. We multiply 4 both sides. Okay, so so this is 4 less or equal mod of x minus 2. This is equal 4, right? The next step is we add 2 in both sides, right? So -4 plus 2 less or equal mod x minus 2 plus 2 less or equal 4 plus 2, right? So this is cancel out and we give -2 less or equal mod x less or equal 6, right? Here we ignore this. Ignore this because negative this is positive quantity and this is negative quantity, and we know always negative quantity less than positive quantity. So this is a right. ठीक है, तो इसको हम लोग क्या करेंगे, इग्नोर कर देंगे यहाँ पर. ठीक है, so now we solve only this, right? So mod x less or equal 6, right? So it means this means -6 less or equal x less or equal 6, right? So this is domain of sine inverse mod x minus 2 upon 4. Okay, so this is domain. It means x belongs to close bracket -6 to 6. So this is domain. This is domain. Okay, so our next question is for your homework. Okay, so the question is comment this question comment this question's answer. Okay, so find domain of y is equal to cos inverse mod x minus 2, right? So answer this comment on comment box. Okay, and the next question is domain of y is equal to sin inverse x square by 3, right? Comment these both answers. ठीक है? Okay, so we will meet on the next video. Then thank you, and subscribe the channel. Okay.